Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to set DA logging into debug mode. First we need to stop the Tomcat service. Once this is stopped, we will delete two sets of logs. One will be the Tomcat logs, and the second set would be the actual DA logs under the DA profile. It is either .serena or for newer DA versions it will be .microfocus. After both sets of logs have been deleted, we will set the log4j file into debug mode. So we go back to the profile. Here's the log4j properties file. We'll open this in a text editor. And we need to find the line log4j root logger. As you can see, this is set to info. So this just gives us very basic information in the log files. So we'll need to change this to debug. Save the file, close this, and then we'll restart Tomcat. So Tomcat will take about 5 minutes to initialize. After this, the log files will be created and you can see more information in the log files.